In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable dark mode in YouTube. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to bring up any of the available browser that you have or that is being present in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And here at the search bar, you can type it. So in my case, I'll be using Chrome. Once a best match would appear, please click on Open to continue. So eventually you would be redirected to that specific browser that you have opened or bring up. We just have to navigate to the address bar here, okay, and type for YouTube. Once you've typed it, click the enter key so that you would be able to be redirected to the YouTube itself. So we just have to wait until everything already here or set before we can continue to the enabling of the dark mode here in YouTube. So from here, at the upper right side of that, there a profile picture icon. Okay, all you need to do is you need to select on it. Okay, not this one, but this one beside the bell icon. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up this window. Where here, you need to proceed to this option called appearance, which is next to your data on YouTube. Now click on this forward arrow, and eventually you would be able to see the appearance where you can set the setting that will apply to this browser only and not on the entire browser that you have opened. Okay, again for clarification, this will only set for this browser only and not on the entire application or the browser that you have opened. So there you can see dark theme and light theme. And in order to enable the dark mode, all you need to do is you need to tap on this dark theme, and in a few moments you would be able to enable the dark mode here in your YouTube. Okay, so it's slowly applying here in our YouTube. Now we just have to wait until everything would be set. So as you can see, we have just successfully the dark mode, or we have just successfully set the dark theme here on YouTube. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.